what I can do, please say lights on or play a carol.
Lights on.
Ta-da! If you'd like me to do something else, just say, hello, Mr. Christmas.
Hello, Mr. Christmas.
Well, hello. To see what I can do, please say good night or play a carol.
Play a carol.
You're in for a treat. Please choose a carol from my songbook.
Frosty the Snowman.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul. I love a little Christmas magic. Please say another song and I'll play it. Or say good night.
Good night.